This video will take you step by step through the process of replacing the weather strip on your Kolbe sliding door manufactured between April 2007 and June 2018. Before you begin, you'll need a few tools to complete the job. Begin by cutting away a 2-inch piece of the old weather strip from the corner of the head jamb parting stop with a utility knife. Remove the cut piece with some scissors. You'll repeat this step on the side jamb parting stop once the head stop is removed. Once the small piece of weather strip is removed, use a flat screwdriver to tap and slightly bend the metal base. Then, using a putty knife or a screwdriver, gently separate the cap from the parting stop base. You'll want to be careful and not scratch the cap as it will be reused. Repeat this process on the side jamb parting stop once the head stop has been removed. Remove the screws holding the bases on the head jamb and on the side jamb. Remove the head parting stop with a small pliers. Gently pull the head parting stop away from the frame and remove. Once the head parting stop is removed, repeat the full process to remove the side jamb parting stop. Depending on the manufacturing date of your sliding door, some silicone may be left behind. You'll need to remove the silicone and clean the area before installing your new parts. Begin reinstallation with the side parting stop. Apply a 3/8 inch bead of silicone starting at the bottom of the parting stop and going up 12 inches on the back side of the stop. Align the barbs of the new parting stop with the curves of the frame and push the new stop into place. Using the pre-drilled holes, screw the new stop into place until tight. Snap the original cap onto the parting stop by hooking the front edge and rolling it onto the back edge. Finally, push the new weather strip into the kerf of the parting stop. You'll feel the weather strip snap into place. Repeat the process for installing the new head parting stop. However, before you begin installation, you'll need to install the weather strip into the head parting stop first. Note that you will not need to use any silicone on the head parting stop. Once installation is complete, test the door for proper operation. To learn more about this and other Kolbe products, please visit our website at kolbewindows.com.